Hello and welcome to the British Tech Guru channel. It's me, Zephyr Beeblebrox, and yes, I still have COVID and I get good days and bad days. Today is a better day. I've still got a massive headache, I'm still massively disoriented, I still have a cough, and I'm still infectious. I gather I have to stay out of work for probably till at least Friday. Then they say I can come back as long as I wear a mask. But as far as I know, the work is just 3 days this week. And none next week or the week after. I think it starts in earnest on the 16th. Anyway, today I want to talk about several things. Number one, people have been asking me, Zaphod, why do you wear such tatty old shirts? Well, the answer is every shirt I wear has a story. The purple one I wore in the last video was one I bought with some very good friends when I was a student in university, and that must have been 30 years ago maybe, and I had some such good memories of going out shopping with the three girls. The times I had in university. And this particular shirt, this is a no account shirt. This is from a former employer, not the previous employer but the employer before. And as usual with employer t-shirts, yeah, wear them for work. Then after that, I just don't care. I wear them for odd jobs, whatever. But the thing I wanted to talk about to you today about is not electronics. In fact, yes, it is electronics, but I bought a webcam with the thought I could use it with my laptop. And here it is, 1080p webcam. Okay, so all the details. Very nice box. It says drive free. I really don't know what a free drive is, but there we go. There's the barcode and everything. Well, I've tried it, and I am honestly not impressed. I'm recording right now on an old iPhone 6s, which seems to be by far the best webcam best camera for recording video that I've come across. Unless I want to spend about $500, which, sure, I could buy one, but why? Anyway, I'm going to show you this webcam, and while I'm there we go. And it came with a very nice privacy thing, a little privacy flip-up thing that flips up, fits over the lens and flips up and down as if somebody couldn't see the green light. And there's the actual camera, and you can see that the privacy thing has just fallen off. So what do I think of the quality of this 1080p webcam? Well, for a start, it's not 1080p. And how do I know that? It's on a USB connector, USB-A connector, and that brings the actual speed of the webcam, because the data speed allowed on USB-A is going to be somewhere in the region of VGA only, and in fact that is VGA. And the image gets upscaled and gets slower and slower and slower, and it's not good. It is not a pretty sight. And they might have They might have put a 1080p camera in here, but when you slow the data down to USB-A standards, you're not going to get 1080p out. And I tried it on 720p. Again, that didn't work either. I'll give you a quick demonstration of 1080p right now. Hello. This is definitely 1080p, isn't it? No, I don't think it's 1080p. I think this is terrible, whatever it is. And hello again. This is 720p and it's not that much better. Pretty terrible. So, as you can see, that two videos from that camera are pretty awful, and in fact I just don't think it's, I don't even think it was worth the $7 I paid for it. I did buy a little video camera from Walmart at one point, and it was supposed to be 1080p, and oh my goodness, the colours were so washed out, it was blurry. It was like a VGA webcam from 1990. So I'm sticking with the iPhone 6s. So anyway, as far as the COVID goes, like I said, I still have a headache, I still have coughing, still have a temperature, and I'm getting over it. Her indoors, today was the first day that she actually got out of bed, apart from to go to the restroom. She got up, washed my mountain of dishes. Hey, did you think I was going to wash the dishes? Neither of us felt much like doing anything. So, but today, yeah, 5 days in bed, she got out of bed, washed the dishes, went straight back to bed. I told her to leave them. Nope, she had to clean them. I can't grumble, because she complains about my dishwashing anyway. So, today I did solder the headers onto another barometric pressure sensor, and I put a barometric pressure sensor and an accelerometer with a built-in magnetometer onto a PCB. I decided I'm going to wait on putting the whole lot onto my new plastic tray. I built a new plastic tray to house it all because I want to get a voltage sensor so that I can check the voltage of the lithium batteries that are going to be running it all off. Before I can, so that I can just run the thing, and when the batteries get too low, it just shuts power off to the engine, keeps power on to the rest of the drone. That way I can control how much power or what level, how much voltage it gets down to. I don't want to burn up the batteries, and that's more important for a test drone than anything else when it's testing at the moment. I've just realized I've got almost enough kit to build a second drone control unit. I had to buy two voltage sensors, two Arduino voltage sensors, and I'll put one on each. I'll have to get myself another I can't remember the model, LM17230, something like that. Another GPS unit, and then have two separate trays with everything on. I can just code them both the same, build a drone, fly it, If the drone gets wrecked, I can transfer the circuits, etc., to another drone. If the circuits get destroyed at the same time, well, I've got a duplicate. Anyway, so that's what's going on at the moment. Not very much, and I will occasionally be reviewing the odd computer game if I feel the coding is bad in it. I really don't play them very much. I just amused me how bad the coding was on the previous one, because I could win exactly the same way every time. Anyway, so I'm off back to the house. It's bloody hot out here. I'm sweating faster than an ox's armpit. So, talk to you again. This has been a British Photography Guru production. Not photography, British Tech Guru production. I'm thinking photography because I'm thinking of putting a camera into the drone. So, British Tech Guru production. And I'm Zaphod Beeblebrox. And I'll see you again.